Hi, my name is Mieke from Beats and Basics and thank you for watching this jewelry tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful flower bracelet. All the materials can be bought on our website www.beatsandbasics.com, and in our shop we sell different sizes of the pearl beads and different colors of the gemstone beads, so you can make your own combination. You can also choose to add more flowers to the bracelet to turn it into a necklace. But let's start with the tutorial first. Here are the used materials. You will need a bead mat, jewelry glue, a short needle, Ceylon thread, a chain extender, a stainless steel lobster clasp, and this one is 12 millimeters, 3 millimeter pearls, and 2 millimeter gemstone beads. It's also easy to have a flat nose plier by hand, because sometimes the needle gets stuck and you can pull the needle through the beads by using a flat nose plier. I started by cutting about 1 meter of the Ceylon thread. I also put the Ceylon through the needle, and then we can start with our first flower. Then we start by adding 1 pearl, 1 gemstone, and 3 more pearls. So these are the beads you have on your needle. You thread the Ceylon all the way through, but you leave about 10 centimeters at the end. This is what we will use to attach the lobster clasp to. Then you go with your needle back through the first pearl. And you make your needle point towards the end of your thread. Put your needle through, and when it goes a little stiff, you can use a flat nose plier and pull the needle. And when you pull the thread, you will see that you have half of your flower done. Then we add 3 more pearls. Put the Ceylon through. And then you go with your needle through the pearl next to your gemstone. So we go back through this pearl. Pull your needle through. And when you pull the thread, your first flower is done. Before we start our next flower, we will add 1 more gemstone bead. And this bead will act as a spacer between our 2 flowers. Now we add 1 pearl, 1 gemstone, and 3 more pearls. Thread the Ceylon through, and we go back through the first pearl, and you can point your needle to the first flower. Pull your needle through, and then we pull tight. And to finish this second flower, we add 3 more pearls. And we go back through the pearl next to the gemstone. pull your needle through. And pull the seal-on tight. And then your second flower is finished. To finish the bracelet you will need about 15 flowers, but you can always measure around your wrist how many flowers you need to add. And when you have enough, I'll show you how to attach the lobster and the chain extender. I'll measure one more time to see if it really fits. And keep in mind that there's also going to be a lobster clasp and a chain extender. But I think this is pretty good. I ended up using about 15 flowers. So now we can start by adding the lobster clasp and the chain extender. We start on the shorter end of the bracelet. We go through the lobster clasp. And we make a knot. Then we repeat this, so we make another knot. And now we go back through the lobster clasp. But make sure to leave a little loop, because we go back through this loop to make another knot. Now we repeat this one more time. So we go back through the lobster clasp, through the loop, and we pull tight. The reason we go back through the lobster clasp is to make it extra secure and to make sure the seal-on thread cannot break. After this, we go back through the flower. And like we did before, we go back through the loop and pull tight. We repeat this step one more time. Pull the seal-on through the flower, then go through the loop and pull tight. To make everything secure, we add a little bit of glue. And make sure to let it dry completely before cutting off the ends. In the meantime, we can start on the other side. It's actually the same. Go through the chain extender. Make a knot. And try to get it as close to the flower as possible. Make another knot. Now we go through the chain extender. Leave a little bit of room because we go back through the loop. Pull tight. Now we go again through the chain extender, through the loop, and also pull tight. And lastly, we go through the flower, through the loop, pull tight, and repeat this one more time. Pull extra tight. And then we use a little bit of glue again. For this side as well, let it dry completely before cutting off the ends. Now we can cut off the excess thread. And then your bracelet is finished. In our website we have bigger sizes of the pearl beads, but also different sizes of the gemstone beads. So you can make it as big or small as you like. When your beads are big enough, you can also choose to work with nylon thread. Then you just have to attach the lobster clasp and the chain extender by using crimp beads. I hope you liked this tutorial and that you're gonna make the bracelet yourself. If you did, feel free to share your creation on Instagram using our hashtag #BeadsandBasics. All the materials can be bought on our website www.beadsandbasics.com, and if you would like to see more of these tutorials, please subscribe to our channel. If you have any questions, you can leave them in the comment section down below. And I hope to see you in the next video. Bye!